Wish to save more tax. How can you avoid TDS on fixed deposits? Despite falling interest rates, fixed deposits are one of the most favored instruments among risk-averse investors as it provides guaranteed fixed return and safety of capital. However, one of the disadvantages of FD aside from low return is that interest on fixed deposits is fully taxable. Banks are required to deduct tax at source on FD interest. However, there is a situation where you can avoid TDS on FD. In case your income is below the exempted limit, you need not to pay TDS on interest earned. Note that banks are required to deduct TDS at the rate of 10%. In case the depositor fails to submit PAN, the bank will deduct TDS at the rate of 20%. In order to prevent the bank from deducting TDS, you are required to inform the bank that your income is below the exempted limit. For this, you can submit Form 15G or 15H to the bank. These are self-declaration forms in which you give an undertaking that your income is below the exempted limit. For individuals aged below 60 years, income below rupees 2.5 lakhs is tax exempt. For those aged above 60 but below 80, income up to 3 lakhs is tax exempt. For those aged above 80 years, income up to rupees 5 lakhs is tax exempt. There are two categories of forms for the purpose. Form 15G is for those who are younger than 60 years and Form 15H is for those above 60 years of age. It is worth remembering that you are required to submit these forms at the beginning of the relevant financial year. This means that in order to avoid TDS in financial year 22, you should submit the forms now. It has to be submitted at every bank where you have a deposit. Thanks for watching.